Hi guys, it's me, Tyler, and
Jordan.
oh, you're probably just thinking, how did I got more than 4 animals? I really don't. Well, you're probably wondering onto my giraffe.
He deleted it. He didn't like it. The wolves are the second best.
Yeah.
The top.
Arctic wolves are top.
Wolf.
Arctic.
How much you can? I don't have enough diamonds. I'm none.
I know.
Sorry that I don't make any videos.
Oh yeah, he hasn't been making videos recently because. Why am I doing this?
Because I don't feel like doing it and I forget a lot. I'm mostly outside with my friends.
Yeah, true. I'm sometimes inside, but I heard.
He's mostly inside playing Animal, playing and watching. Well, and we're mostly out of our house a lot, though.
Yeah, because my mom's having the baby.
A baby brother.
So it wasn't.
Anthony.
So we haven't been home recently because of that. Because we're going
to meet us sometimes. He's coming home tomorrow.
Yeah. We just hope she
Kind
is.
of my kinetic sand.
I have to fix my dang sack. Accidentally started to make a new account. I was just like, why am I doing this? So I might have to restart doing this again.
Your name's want me to change your name to Egg to whatever your name is, I forget. Oh, Wolf and Cat. I want it to change to Wolf and Cat 26. Gotta go in settings though.
I know. Well, after I'm done finish fixing.
I gave you most of those things, by the way. Where did you get that? Where did you get the broken glass?
I don't know. Probably from fooling around. Because when I make my videos, I don't even know what I'm doing.
I do.
Actually, it's true. I don't even know what I'm doing when I'm making my videos.
I'm making a video now, so do you know what you're doing right now? Yes, you're making your den. So you know what you're doing. Well, I said it for you, so you probably don't know what you're doing. Because you didn't say it, I did. It took 1 million years for you to say it, so I had to say it for you.
No, it did.
I don't care. It'll take 1 million years to make this talk. Video's gonna be more than 1 million years now, because you've been talking all day.
No, I have. Not all day.
Oh, on the video. In the video.
Sometimes I'm always quiet for my videos.
I'm usually quiet, so I have to turn it up loud.
Not like.
Hello, neighbor in Minecraft. Oh, Minecraft? It's Minecraft now? I thought that was Roblox.
You did? How'd you not see that? Oh, you're probably not wondering what we're talking about.
Oh, how's YouTube TV thing? He's watching YouTube on his TV?
Yeah, it's just like, I'm silent. I'm gonna play now.
Silent Tyler. Silent Wyler.
I'm only quiet, Jordan.
Tyler, Tyler, G5 for Wyler. Brooklyn. G5 for looking. No, I made up that.
Oh, I tricked right away.
That's mine.
I know, but I like it.
Did you like it though? Like you would like it?
Yeah.
Ponding.
Oh.
Pondies.
If you don't play Amagen, this was the bottle today.
Yeah.
Phantoms are finding out that.
And they're trying to. It's hard to explain them. I explained it to them, but it took forever.
Because they found out that
they were sending messages in bottles, and they sent one, but we knew the Phantom sent it. It said, "Don't worry about us. We love this place." Phantoms are trying to make us think that they love that place, and we don't have to save them. There we go. I explained it.
I
hope you can hear me. Kind of far away from the laptop.
Yeah, he is.
What happened?
Don't know. You might press the. I'm gonna leave now. Oh, I don't even know how long has it been.
I have no idea. Brian Day Dev. Don't know what that is. It's a makeup Yandere simulator. Don't know what that is. It's a game where you kill people. I don't know what Yandere simulator is.
It's
I
popular.
used to. I would play it, but I can't because my other laptop broke.
I
Fixed it? How broke it?
accidentally.
Well, it was, but I would how to fix it. Broke it. I fixed it. How I broke it? The first time it broke from Brooklyn, she stepped on it.
Yeah, she stepped on when I was on the stairs when I was playing a game in here.
My friend, Kiara. There's no event. Why did you press that?
Don't know.
Big. I don't know what press those. That wasn't. It's a new update. Don't care. Don't care. Read that.
I'm gonna go to the most popular place in the world.
It is Jamma Township. That's not Jamma Township. The Fear Razor.
Sorry. Yeah, why are you still eating sand?
What things I am?
He's eating cookies. Oh, if you want to become a member, this is the animal I'm gonna be.
Links.
And this is gonna be my first animal. This is gonna be second. Third is this is gonna be my first right here.
Yes, you can. Someday I want.
That's actually gonna be my third. I should probably want to save that for diamonds so I can get the pig.
You can send me codes, membership codes, so I can get diamonds. 10 diamonds, but you can. I really want lots of specs. I'm doing it too. Party, Mysterio, Moon, Legitimate. I don't know how to say a name.
Oh, I forgot. I was recording.
I keep recording.
We're gonna have to end this video early.
It sounds like an owl. It's an owl down here. I'm getting scared. It's like there's an owl. I heard the owl.
Same here. Sorry, I had to turn it down.
I hope there's no owls in the basement. I'm really scared now.
Ah, what is that?
Oh my god, you scared me.
No, help us. One more time. Someone help.
What is that?
I don't know. It's coming closer.